Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a default ending to your videos in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So let's just get into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it usually opens up in the edit menu, where we can create new projects, continue old ones, and basically get inspired and get creative. But from here, we have to go into the settings menu. In the top right corner, we find the little gear button. We have to tap on that. And here at the top of this list, there is add default ending. If we tap on this, then there is going to be a default ending added to all of our projects that we create in the CapCut app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.